It's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, and I'll lay yourself bare. See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I would do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching the fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You had the heart inside of your head.
Siyempre, maraming salamat kay Consular.
Tama. Katulad ng pagiging lungsod,
gentleman.
katulad ng pagiging lungsod ng ating bayan, of course, hindi na tayo mapapapigil pa katulad sa ulan na to. Kaya naman, let's welcome, of course, head ng General Services Office.